Hey guys, the XOS Testnet just launched today, May 9, 2025, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to interact with the testnet. The first thing to do is to join the early access campaign using the link in the description. You can link your Twitter, join the Discord server, and start your daily check-ins. The next thing to do is to claim test tokens from the XOS faucet. You find the link in the description. Once you get to the faucet, paste your EVM address here, complete the captcha, and click the button to request XOS. Participating in the early access campaign will give you some advantage when claiming from the faucet. If you have a referral from the early access campaign, you can claim from the faucet every 3 days. And if you have the Guardian Badge NFT, you can claim every day. So to get the Guardian Badge NFT, you need to invite 10 people to join the early access campaign. So once you've invited up to 10 people, you can visit your early access dashboard and click claim to claim your Guardian Badge NFT, so you can claim from the faucet more frequently. But don't worry, the faucet will increase the claim amount and lower the claiming requirements in a few days. You can add the testnet to your wallet by clicking the Add XOS Testnet button and accepting the request in your wallet. So once you've gotten your test tokens, you can start interacting on the testnet. Right now, you can swap tokens, provide liquidity, and register domains on the XOS testnet. To swap tokens, visit the XOS Dex. You'll find the link in the description. Click connect, select your preferred wallet, and accept the connection request. If the network shows as unsupported, click the button and click testnet. And now you can see it on the XOS testnet. You will only have XOS tokens, so you can swap your XOS to other tokens and start swapping those other tokens for other tokens, and so on and so forth. So click the drop-down menu at the bottom to select the token you want to swap to, enter the amount of XOS you want to swap, click swap, click confirm swap, and accept the request in your wallet. So you can close this and repeat the process as many times as possible. To provide liquidity, click pool, click new position, and select the pair you want to provide liquidity on. Remember, I swapped XOS for BNB, and these are the only tokens I have, so that's what I'll be using for this pair. The XOS is already selected. Here I click the second drop down menu to select the next token in the pair. I select BNB. You can choose the fee tier you want by clicking edit and selecting any of these options. Enter the amount of the token you want to provide as liquidity. The next thing to do is to approve the token in your wallet. So click approve and accept the request in your wallet. Click preview, click add, and accept the request in your wallet. So now I've provided liquidity. I can close this and repeat the process as many times as possible. To register domains, visit the OpenID app. You'll find the link in the description. Search for any name you want to register as your domain name on the XOS testnet. Click search, and you'll see if the name is available. You can set to use it as a primary name. Once you're happy with the name and it's available, click register and accept the request in your wallet. You can register as many names as you like. So that's it about the XOS testnet for now. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the comments or in my Telegram group. You'll find the link to the group in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more XOS testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. Check out the bonus section of this video description for a link to some of the hottest testnets and join as many of them as you can. So keep interacting on the XOS testnet. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.